founder of 10xcodercase.com, and if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today, what we are gonna do, we are gonna learn how to create a pattern, so an image on our Sensat display, and then how we can add animations to that image. So this is gonna be very interesting. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! So first of all, from Sensat, we are gonna import Sensat. Right? This is our usual stuff, right? So if you don't have the Sensat, and then you can use the Sensat emulator, and all the code will remain the same for you, but you just have to give sense emu over here instead of Sensat. So that will be, this is quite cool. But I have the real Sensat, so I'll do from Sensat import Sensat. Next we are gonna do from time import sleep, right? As usual. Next we are going to initialize a sense object. So that will be this is a sense object, right? That is an object of Sensat class, right? Next we are doing sense.clear. So the clear method, when not passed anything, will clear everything if there if there is something shown on our Raspberry Pi. So the sense.clear method will clear everything on our Raspberry Pi. If there's, sorry, on our Sensat display, right? So it will clear our Sensat display, right? So the clear method is pretty useful. Next we are gonna do g equals 0 to 55 0. So this is just in RGB format. So we are saving the value of green in RGB format, basically in a tuple. Like red is 0 and green is full, and then blue is 0. So this is full green, and then black is equal to, as we know, 0 comma 0 comma 0, right? So black displayed on our Sensat display won't be black. If we want to display black, nothing will come, right, on our Sensat display, right? So nothing will come on our Sensat display if we display black. Next what we need to do, we need to initialize the creeper pixels. So this is what this basically is. Oh yeah, I'll just paste it over here. So these creeper pixels are basically how what color on which pixel will be shown. And if we show proper colors on each pixel, then we will be able to show a creeper face. So like 141 million people out of the whole population play Minecraft. So you may like post some things in my mind say that you must have played Minecraft. If not, there's some creepers in that. So that creeper face we are gonna draw. So I don't play Minecraft, but I know about it. So over here we are saying on which pixel should it display green, on which pixel it should display nothing, by giving black over there. So we are saying that on the x-axis, on the 0th position, and on the y-axis 0th position, we are going to display green. Then on the x-axis 1 position, and the y-axis 0th position, we are going to display green. And this whole x-axis, on the whole on x-axis, on x-axis 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So the whole x-axis, uh, uh, okay, so the whole first row, right? So you can understand it by first row. The whole first row is now green, the whole second row is green, and then third row the eyes start. So the creeper's eyes start. So we'll leave a bit of gap where we won't display green to show the eyes of the creeper, to show the mouth of the creeper, right? So there where we want to show the mouth, eyes, and everything, we'll give a gap, right? So we'll give a gap. We will not display any color, right? We are not gonna display any color, so that will look like uh, a creeper face being formed, right? So here are creeper pixels to form the creeper face. Then what we are gonna do, there's a set pixels method that will set all the pixels on our uh, what we say sense at, right? So we are gonna set creeper pixels, and this will, like, whatever we give over here, it will just copy it on the sense side, but it will show it in colors format, right? And then what we are doing we are gonna do dot is equals to 0, right? So okay, so we'll come to this dot thing afterwards. It is basically for rotation. So while true, you're gonna sleep one, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do sense dot flip horizontally. And what we'll need to do, we'll need this creeper face being one eye closed, right? So we'll need the creeper's one eye closed. So this is the one eye closed creeper face um, array over here. So I'll just paste it in here, right? So over here, if you can see, one eye one eye is full green, right? So one eye is full green and the other eye is open, right? So one eye is closed, and we'll just flip horizontally. So the whole image will be flipped horizontally every 1 second, right? So let's demonstrate this in 3, 2, 1, snap. So now guys, let's demonstrate our code. It will look like that creeper is blinking, right? So it is blinking from one eye, and then it is blinking on the other eye, then it is blinking on the one eye on this left eye, then it is blinking on the right eye, then it is blinking, and it will look like the creeper is blinking continuously. So let's run this. Okay, so as you can see over here, a creeper face, a beauty, has been formed, and you can see it is animating it, and it is looking like that the creeper is blinking on the left eye, then the right eye, then the left eye, then the right eye, then the left eye, then the right eye, and so on. So this is such a cool behavior, and this is forever. So this can keep on going forever, right? But we will have to stop it. So I'll just stop that behavior right over here. So now it has stopped blinking. It is settled on one position. So now let's go back to the code in 3, 2, 1, snap. Sorry, so now that we have demonstrated that, what we'll do, we'll have the normal creeper face. So we'll go back and we'll have the normal creeper face. So the normal face. So as you can see, this B over here. So this is the normal creeper face. And now what we'll do, we're gonna say rotation is equal to 0. So how many degrees has the creeper face rotated? Like this, 0 degrees, right? So now what we're gonna do, we don't need this anymore. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do sense dot set rotation, and we're gonna say whatever value the rod has, right? And if so, now rod can only have values till 270. If it exceeds, it will stop working. So what we'll do, if we'll do, if rod is equals to 270, so if it has reached 270, then if we increment it and set the rotation to, like, for example, 360 or more, then it will lead to us an error, us to an error, right? So that we don't want. So we're gonna set rod back to 0 when it reaches to 270, and then we're gonna continue, right? But if it does not reach till 270, we're gonna just increment it by 90. So every time when it goes over here, it will set the rotation, whatever is the rotation value. If rod has not reached to its maximum point where maximum it can be rotated, it will increment it by 90. So if it is 0, then it will increment it, then it will rotate 90 degrees, then it will rotate another 90 degrees, then it will rotate another 90 degrees, then it will set back to 0. So it will come back to its original position, that will look like it has rotated 90 degrees, and uh, so on. This will keep on happening. So let's demonstrate this code in 3, 2, 1, snap. Now let's demonstrate the code right now. So what I'll do, I'll press run and then it will look like the creeper face is rotating. So if I press run now, you can see the creeper face, then it changed sides. It is changing sides continuously. It is rotating. It is not such a smooth animation as it is just an 8 by 8 grid of pixels, and those are very less pixels, right, for a smooth animation. But you can see this is animating. The creeper face is rotating on all the directions, right, and our code successfully worked. So this was it guys for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my videos. Bye.